How's that for an under blanket for a tenner? You get the idea. The 6x3, the reason I got that amount is because I can double it over the hammock. That's a 3-meter hammock. Well, it's 2.9 from tip to stern. And yeah, also pissed off, my phone screen got smashed. Something I would not be getting on AliExpress. New phone. Tech I'd rather get in the country. I know it all comes from China, but psychological. So that was 10 quid, more or less, for a polytunnel plastic. It's thick enough that it's not going to fall apart. It's probably stronger than the hammock itself with regard to wind resistance. If you leave a gap, you're not going to suffocate. And if you really want to keep extra warm in the winter, you can actually wrap it 2 to 3 thicknesses completely around you. If you do it at an angle, helical, at an angle spiral, that way you can easily open it to let air in without having to dismantle the whole thing. So yeah, it's too hot, way too hot for this. I need to go and buy a new phone.